Huwag kang malikot. Patay, nahulog ka. Uy, kabayan. Kilala ko to ah. Nantok na. Time check. Alas 2 ng madaling araw.
We are in the District 1 of Ho Chi Minh City and we are proceeding to go to Ben Thanh Market. Ben Thanh Market is the famous local market here in Ho Chi Minh, which sells a variety of produce from dry goods to fruits and vegetables, souvenirs, and many more. But you need to haggle because the prices here are not fixed. So pwede dito tawad-tawad. It's still early in the morning, so hindi masyadong matao. And we'll get to see kung ano ang local vibe dito kasi we're gonna pulse their market.
Para din Pilipinas sumama, no?
Yung mga fruits nila, may lansones, may durian, may lychee, may chico, and meron sila dito mga iba na wala sa atin, kagaya nitong dried fruits na to. This one, parang longgan, lychee, rambutan. This is meron silang marang. And yung dragon fruit nila, yellow. Ay, laki ng apple mango. At yung dragon fruit nila, may yellow and merong red. Wow. Different kinds of dried fungus. Abalone. And other dried items. And yung mga local wines nila. These are their coffee. They have and tea. Meron silang lotus tea, jasmine. They're not so friendly kasi medyo nahihirapan silang magsalita ng English, so it's hard to communicate. Ito mga Vietnamese candies. Ito yung mga nuts. Ito pistachio. Different kinds of nuts, good nuts. Almond, cashew. Yan mga candies. Marami sila dito ang tindang mga coffee. Different kinds of coffee. Tsaka mga teas. Uso din dito yung binabalot sa styrofoam. Tapos kung gusto niyo bumili to go. This is how they make their spring rolls. Actual making of spring rolls. They put a lot of fresh herbs and noodles and shrimps, and if you want pork. Uso din dito ang mga marites. Yan. Pero yun, ganun pala.
Bữa nó đâu có làm gì đâu. Có thể đi ở đợi người khác ấy, chào bằng cổ mà.
Yun yung naka-allergy sa'yo.
Alin?
Yun.
Tata. Mura lang?
Galing mag-Tagalog, no?
Pwede pesos?
Yeah, pwede peso.
What's your name? Sammy.
Sammy.
This is Sammy, our Vietnamese friend who knows how to speak in Tagalog. Sammy, if you want to buy here inside Benton Market, look for the shop. Shop 924. Goodbye.
Tanggap ng piso.
Tanggap ng peso. Sammy. Thank you, Sammy. Ang daming textiles. Iba-ibang textiles. Dito sa Benton Market. Gaganda. Banchan? Banpun? Banpun? Banpun. Pork and mushroom. Yun. Banpun.
Ano siya?
Dito ay bonpun, steamed rolled rice pancake na mayroong pork and pork pie. Tapos bumili lang kami ng sito. Yan, titikman namin. This is the banchan. Let's try. Kasana?
Ali, ano to?
Pork. Ito pork.
Karne.
Oo. So, yan.
Mamaya mag-add ka sa palengke kasi una ko. Hindi na ganun. Manghang to yung doon. Manghang din.
Baka ng tissue pa.
Ito parang
Masarap.
mali.
Ito pork and mushroom na binalot siya sa very thin na noodles. Sarap.
Ito yan, no?
Tawag nila pork pie. Pero ito, steamed rolled rice. Welcome to the Book Street here in Ho Chi Minh. Yan, may mga parang field trip ang mga kiddos. And meron ditong small playground. This is a street full of bookshops. Saya. Hi, Abu! Kapasyal tayo dito sa Book Street. Yan, may mga kids na nagfi-field trip. And there are many kinds of books, pero most of them are in Vietnamese language. This is a nice place kasi it promotes the love for reading. Na unti-unti na nawawala sa mga kabataan because most millennials are sobrang engrossed online. So it's nice to see na meron pinopromote dito ang mga Vietnamese people. To 50% off to instill the love for reading. Ayan. Mga local authors, local writers. This is 30% off. These are children's books. Yan, very colorful. Most of them are written by local writers. And this is also a nice place to chill out because there seem to be a lot of parang coffee shops. Yan. It's called the Book Cafe. Book Street, Ho Chi Minh City. Bilalatan na. Mamaya meron din kaming binili na apple mango naman. Matamis. Kain pa tayo. This is a very charming place. They also have postcards. Cute, oh. Breath magnets and other stuff. Ooh, this is nice. Para din siyang craft store. Very aesthetic. Ganda. Kaya Bu, anong masasabi mo sa Book Street?
Yung mga mahilig magbasa, ito yung magandang puntahan kasi left and right, puro libro. Bili, taka basa.
Arts and crafts.
Yes. Anything about books. Everything about books.
Pero parang 90% Vietnamese writers.
Pero yung conducive yung place. Kasi malilim,
Oo.
presko, may mga upuan.
Oo. Yan, may mga nag-uupo dito.
Tapos may malaking simbahan.
Ito yung Book Street. Ayan. Kasi ito yung Notre Dame Cathedral na currently ay under renovation. Ayan. Katabi lang siya dito sa Book Street. So, puntahan din to ng mga tourists kasi maaliwalas and maganda siyang pasyalan kasi you get to see literatures of local writers and even yung parang schools meron silang field trip. Yan, katatapos lang ng field trip nila kasi ini-introduce syempre dapat sa mga bata ang love for reading. Yan, ang cute ng mga kids. Okay, so this is Ho Chi Minh City, Book Street. Kasakay po tayo sa trike. Ayan, si Abu. Tapos si Tatay. Hello!
Hello, Vietnamese xin chào.
Hello, Philippines!
Hello, Philippines, Vietnam.
Okay. Abu is there. Hi, Abu.
Manila. Hello, Vietnamese xin chào. Hello, Philippines, Vietnam. Manila, Manila. Hello, Manila. Ra đi rất là thấy người ta.
Jeng.
Sarap dito sa Vietnam, parang sa
Woohoo! Only one.
One boy. One boy, you want one girl?
No, no.
The girl, very good.
Yun, nagtitinda sila ng coconut.
Coconut, coconut.
No. No, no, no. And ito, what's this, sir? This
Balat.
one?
Nagkaisan balat.
Ah, Independence Palace.
Yeah.
Ito ang kanilang Independence Palace na itinayo noong 1868 to 1966.
This one na Christian Balak.
Yan. Very big Independence Palace. So, ano dito, mapuno. You have many trees. Very nice trees. Very cool. Yes. Oh, Nam is very strong. Ganda.
Hotel.
Oh, this is a hotel. Central Palace. How about this one, sir?
Bắc Hào. You know Bắc Hào? Bắc Hào Vietnamese government.
Ah, government office.
The pen building. Very old.
Oh, very old government office. So,
The pen, you know,
old one. So, it is currently under renovation. Overtake. Woohoo! Beep beep.
Local beer. Beer.
Oh, beer. Very early beer. Very early. Oh, yan. Diyan sila nakatira sa taas. Yes. O, pangatlong intersection na po natin. Ganda rin magpasyal ng nakatry kasi open siya. Tapos nakakatuwa yung nagde-drive. Dito maraming Highlands Coffee. Mga pangatlo ko nang nakikita yan. Dito na tayo sa Bentan area. Sina Abu Jeng. Also dito yung mid-morning, nagkakape-kape sila. Parang siguro break nila. Inom sila ng kape. Ayan. So I think malapit na tayo sa hotel natin.